Guys, we're gonna play. No, we're gonna explore some myth games. First one is this. Don't let tourists oblivious. I don't know how to open this. Wait, guys, I'm lagging. Let me just I'm just lagging.
Ito, para saan naman to tissue?
57. Okay, let's see let's play this game
Ay,
now.
wala kaming kutsara. Ba't kaya hindi mo nililipat?
It's Paramin. It's made by Paramin. Okay, wait, let me just get my prize. Wow. Wait.
Matanda mo nakakain.
This is straight. This straight. Straight. Yes, I'm straight. What does straight even mean? That means boy and girl normal, right? Not LGBTQ, right? Okay, who's this? This ugly statue! Who's this? Is that a phone in your tummy? Give me that phone. Ouch! Ouch! My sister hit me again. Ouch! Okay, I'm gonna go to sleep. There's so many players. These fake dummies. Wow! Wow, it's Shedlexky swords thingy. I don't know. Is this my head? That is no flower. No flower. I'm gonna go home. Let's explore. This is the last one. No more na. No more na ha. There's still more. There's nothing here. Oh, forest. Okay. Okay. I'm in next video. I'll actually gonna be hunting a meat. Yeah, meat hunting. Okay, sleep. Finally, normal sleep. Okay. Ouch! My pasta! Okay. Oh, calls admin. Calls admin. Okay, I want to get calls admin. I hate you. I think my sister's gonna slap me again. I got her. The ugly crystal. No. You whatever you say.
Ano ba, Sikel?
Si Crystal kasi.
Wow. Bibigay siya yung safe price mo, ha? Nakulit ka, ha? Bibigay yan. Dito sa akin, oh. Ayaw makinig, eh. Bibigay na kay Mimi. Mimi na lang, Bek. Ano yan? Abet, dito ka kay Mimi. Mami, nasa na? Mami. Ay, na kay Mami.
Okay, I'm gonna eat now.
Yung drink.
Okay, guys, wait. You mine, mine. Oh my gosh, I glitched the game, guys. I glitched the game. Oh my gosh, I glitched the game. Oh my gosh, I glitched the game. Let me just reset. Okay. Man paste. What was that avatar? Okay. Okay, let me just get my prize. Give me. Okay.
Hawakan mo
Oh my gosh. Okay guys, I already have my chicken. I still don't have my fries. because I have to eat my fried chicken first.
Magano na tayo ha.
I've been eating ano, yummy.
Be careful. Nagpapak lang yan.
Ito yun.
Kaya naman ka, dito kumakain ba na nga?
Okay.
Kaya,
Okay, bye guys. I'm gonna see you in the next video.